Ayan. Hello, my soulmate family. And hello, SM world. This is Siraf. You know me already. Pero sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, ayan. For today's video, guys, and I am me. Yours truly, Seraphine. Today, we are celebrating our captain, Honeybee, and his lover, Boss Hayes' anniversary. So, this time, I will be seriously speaking in front of you. And I'm giving my best wishes to the couple. First and foremost, ayan, nakaabot kayo ng 1 year through thick and thin, through the fire, you and me against the world, ika nga. So congratulations of being a 1 year couple, being together, and more time spending each other, or more time na mas lalo nyo minamahal ang isa't isa, which is we, your soulmate family members, are witnesses. Yan. And to our very generous boss, hey, I just wanted to say thank you for loving, of course, soulmate family captain, Honeybee, and my friend as well. And also, thank you for being a good provider sa soulmate family. Though, hindi ka namin palagi nakakasama, nararamdaman namin ang presensya mo. Dahil na rin sa walang habas na kwento ng iyong minamahal na si Melabs. And of course, on behalf of our captain and the soulmate family members, thank you so much, Boss Hay, for coming to the life of our captain. And I'm hoping that the love of yours to her will lastly forever. And huwag kang magbabago, Boss Hay. It's always the same naman sa mga naririnig natin, na laging sana nga walang magbago. Though there's something we cannot, alam nyo, hindi natin mapigilan, diba? There's still a changing. Pero at least kaya nating yun, kumbaga, kaya nating dito yung basta yun na yun, no? Ang hirap mag-isip, di ba? Lalo ganito, ako'y sumasaglit lang, tumatakas lang, ayan. Matutulog na ako, pero I have to do this video dahil wala na akong oras sa mga susunod. And, of course, to my captain, to my Melabs. Naaalala ko pa yun. Dati. Huwag na nga. Pero anyways, Melabs, congratulations, and I'm happy for you. Alam mo naman, ganito lang ako, pero I'm always be a true friend to anyone. Pag totoo ka sa akin, mas totoo ako sa iyo, di ba? Pag minahal mo ako, mas mahal kita. That's how I show my love to my friends. To any one of my friends. Siguro naman, mapapatunayan ng mga kaibigan ko yan. Of course, I'm happy for you for having a good love life, happy love life, and healthy love life. And siguro, if I'm not mistaken, I guess it's already 3 times na in love ka. Those 2 are all failures. So maybe this time, it will be your happy ending together with the boss Hey. And also, my loves, thank you so much for being a good provider and a good leader for to the soulmate family. You're always being there even though you're so busy. Um, Hindi ka naman so far ha sa 1 year and more ko sa soulmate family lagi mo naman pinupunuan yung o lagi mong ginagawa yung papel ng pagiging isang captain. Even the things that you haven't supposed to do, ginagawa mo pa din. And thank you for being a good one and also a good leader and good friend and a kind-hearted person. One of a kind-hearted person I've known here in Stormmaker. I have met. Ayan. And I'm always, and you know that I'm always offering my friendship to you and to anyone na gusto. So, ang wish ko lang may mabait kang puso no? May malambot kang puso. So, you deserve to be happy. Mostly sa pagdating sa love life. So, si Bossy ang sagot dyan. And I'm hoping guys na yung pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa talagang hindi na matapos. No? You are already old enough and matured enough. So, hindi ko na siguro kailangan sabihin pa sa inyo o kailangan payuhan pa kayo kasi alam niyo naman na, 'di ba? Whatever comes your way, you know, 'di ba? You know how to deal with it. You know how to solve the problem. And sabi nga, you and me against the world, at least, 'di ba? Kaya niyo malampasan 'yun. And those soulmate family members, on behalf of them and me, we are all witness, 'di ba? Para sa mga bago, syempre hindi pa nila gaano yun nawi-witness. Pero kami, ng mga matatagal mo nang nakasama, ayan, there's a lot of time na nakita namin kung paano nyo nalusutan ni Boss Hey yung mga struggle sa relasyon nyo. Though there's some kind of bullying na di naman talaga natin maiiwasan. You know naman, di ba? But still, you're still holding on to Boss Hey. So, in that way, thank you so much for loving Boss Hey as well as what he loves you. Yun. Ayun lang, Diyos ko, ang yaw ko na dito. To the soulmate family, ayan, pasensya na kayo, hindi nyo talaga ako makakasama gaano. For whole 2 years, siguro maminsan-minsan lang kapag may oras talaga ako. But anyways, you're still my soulmate family. And to the lovers of this farm, Boss Hey and Captain Honeybee, always congratulations and always be happy with your relationships and always looking forward to the future of yours na kayo na talaga magkasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Happy anniversary, Boss Hey and my loves Captain Honeybee. Wishing you both well. Bye, soulmate family. This is Seraphine signing off.